Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to put a TikTok video in slow motion. It's pretty easy method, so if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like and comment down below if you have any questions. And let's start. First you have to copy the link of the video. So let's click the share button, copy link, and we have to go to a website called snaptik.app. Here you have to paste the link and then download it. So we have to download the video and click on server 1. The website was snaptik.app. After you've downloaded it, I've already done that, you go to easygive.com. That's the last step we need. And in easygive.com you click video to give, then you choose file. Now you choose the video you already done, select upload video, and now you have different options. You have reverse, cut, speed. So let's click on speed, and we have 0.5. We change the video speed. We have to wait a couple seconds, and that's it. And now you can download the video. If you have any questions, don't forget to like the video and comment them down below. See ya.